Small crawler concrete mixer truck. Smooth operation and efficient discharge. It saves time and effort and has a low residual dust rate. Fast and uniform without being picky about materials. The operation is simple and easy to stir. Intelligent control reduces consumption. The automatic feeding operation is more convenient. It adopts a fully hydraulic operating system, providing stronger hydraulic rotation. The stepper speed change when walking and turning enables it to work on inclined construction sites. Equipped with multiple blades, it stirs more evenly.